now no dey play too much attack.
Arsenal match today 4-2. How you see the match?
To me finally at least we win am even though the game na game wey dey cut mind dey get going to the game Arsenal first come progress the ball very well their transition dem dey get am right I no know come wetin happen for second half na wetin we call mentality you need to dey fit like for the game and your mentality fit for the game 100%. If you lose focus even small then you go suffer am and na wetin Arsenal do today for that second half Arsenal come dey lose focus and Leicester City NGD capitalize and Justin dem come capitalize Arsenal and to Mikel Arteta I don't know why him dey bench Nwaneri. I mean this guy na another the most closest man to Odegaard even though him playing style no dey like Odegaard but the most closest thing wey Arsenal get now to Odegaard na him be that Nwaneri and him be the changing factor when Arsenal don dey draw that game when dem bring am in you see the way him progress the ball even I think if you watch am within 1 minute when him come in he get shot on target and na wetin Arsenal midfield Trossard and the rest dem dey lack am for that game and to Kai Havertz I no just understand though he score today but I no dey see that vibes I no see that biting force you dey get and maybe na because of say Odegaard no dey you dey get to spice everything up you know say Arsenal dem lack this spicy creativity they no get am at the moment because of say na Odegaard that's why we need more depth because if peradventure of January after January Arsenal no sign player wey go replace Odegaard and Odegaard come get this kind injury again man Arsenal go suffer.
So how you see the defense? Because if you watch well for the past how many years now, they don dey talk about Arsenal defense say e dey very good. But if you watch today, the kind goals wey dem conceive, the defense was so leaky. So wetin you think say na im go be the solution to that defense?
The solution Arteta don do wetin he don suppose to do. He don sign another defender add again. So I think say the solution already sorted out. But you need to understand say no be every day be Christmas. You dey get. Even though your defense dey say your defense good, no one day na why they call am opponent. Then they analyse. They must break am one day. You dey get me? And I no even fit criticize the defense. You dey get me? Because if you see the 2 goals, the first goal na from set piece. And because goalkeeper sef was supposed to catch that ball, even if say the ball deflected, Kai Havertz deflect that goal. Then the second goal, I no even fit start to talk and say this and that.
They no even dey top league. How you think say dem go far this season?
If you want more analyse am, by this time last season, Arsenal sef is even more better by this stage last season than when dem dey so the league like I don dey talk am league na marathon no be cup game you dey get me na 38 matches 19 home 19 away 38 matches na very big run you dey get so now we dey for game week 6 and Arsenal dey is it third or second Arsenal dey first or second if I'm not mistaken because Aston Villa and Liverpool never play you dey get so if dem play dem win that game Arsenal go dey third which mean say dem still dey the game Arsenal really still dey the game so to me I dey very very confident say Arsenal go push this one wey Chelsea don dey do their gra Man City dey Liverpool dey so the league I dey very relaxed for now.